can get this about $5 or so. But here, in those certain places in Ghana, they can get this under $1, 6 cedis, very cheap. And then you enjoy. It comes with a plastic spoon, a chicken rice, the shito or the sauce, the lettuce, cabbage, vegetables, and then the ketchup and the cream. Everything under 6 cedis. That's $1. Life is good here in Ghana. It's very tasty. If you want to get this, just comment on the comment section below. Put your number there, then I'll call you to show you or to locate you where I can get this cheap fried rice. Everything is easy if you know the right sauce. Yummy. So on my channel we are promoting food in Ghana, whether it's adopted from the Western world or whatever. As far as it's prepared here in Ghana, sold in Ghana, is selling in Ghana, I'm gonna show you for you to enjoy life. And it's easy to prepare. I think on my next video I'm going to show you guys how to prepare fried rice. Easy to prepare. And this one, if you are going to buy it, it's very cheap. That's $1, 6 cedis. Ghana's currency is 6 cedis. $2 is only $1. Very, very cheap. And it's tasty too. This food can compete with any world-class food out today. Delicious. In this channel we enjoy only African food, West African food in West Africa, especially Ghana. A time will come, I'll show you how to enjoy fufu, or how fufu is found in Ghana. Now we are enjoying this fried rice. It's this nice chicken. Yummy. Life is good here in Ghana. I'm almost even full. I have to finish this. So that's it, guys. We are done for today. All this nice, amazing food under 6 cedis, $1. If you want to get this, the location of this food, it's nice, tasty food. Just subscribe and comment on the comment section below, excuse me, and then I'll hook you up on how to get this food. Bye bye.